wanted me to give you this.
Whoa! What's up, Dog Dicks? And today, I'm gonna be with the nature conservation people, and we're gonna show you why our land is so great and needs to be protected. You know, every day, about a football field of rainforest is chopped down. That's a lot of trees! I have a urinary tract infection. This ain't yo mama's tour guide. In 2016, Hillary Clinton plans on filling the Grand Canyon with Molly. Blah, blah, blah. Always make sure to throw away your trash in assorted bins. Make sure to put your recycling into recycling and your trash into trash. Sir, so much for watching the Nature Conservancy. Oh my God, it's him. It's him, the one who threw trash at me. You're the one who threw trash at me.